welcome to Cat's Cradle Forge.
Hello and welcome to Cat's Cradle Forge. Super shout outs to Slingshot Warrior. Here it is, my Chinese air rifle. If you cock it like this, and you put your pellet right in there, and then you slam it shut. Ready to fire. I don't know if you could see that, but there's a lion on there. It says Lion brand, made in China. Got premier hollow point pellets. Rusty, but the inside is not. So there it is, Slingshot Warrior. My Chinese air rifle. Can't hit a barn door with this thing because it doesn't have any sights on it. If you look down it like that, this is blocking the barrel. So you gotta shoot like this and hope for the best, which the best ain't very good. Like I said, I couldn't hit a barn door with this thing or else I'd be doing it all the time. I love air rifles, target practice. Practice makes perfect, like you say. Shout outs to everyone out there. I'll be back with a video about my new power sander. Wait until you see this thing. It'll blow your mind. So stay tuned. Let everyone know that I'm coming back. Or I am back. Cheers.